Welcome to ReaLynns world. Today we are sitting here, my sister and I. We are doing a really healthy salad that she actually made for me. I just came over to visit and I got the benefit of having this amazing keto salad. And it has kale and broccoli. Oh my gosh, look at that. Kale and broccoli, and she made some hard-boiled eggs I put in there. And then what are these little things? These are protein balls. All protein. Keto friendly. What are they called?
They're protein balls.
They're so good. And then
so nobody likes them plain, so
I put them on the side of the counter there.
So they're
protein puffs.
Protein puffs.
They're
and so
really
we added
good.
them like croutons.
Oh, they're so good.
Good and keto friendly. It said on them. That's the
Keto-friendly.
reason why I got them.
And there's sunflower seeds, and there's a little bit of olive
Gives
oil
it a little bit of a
dressing and
crunch.
some sea salt. So good.
Yeah. So
So I haven't seen you in a few
I
days.
taped a million videos today. That's the kind of girl I am. Oh, did I even put? Yeah, I did. Okay. I'm like, did I put blush on? Did I put blush on?
Well, I think so. You got lipstick on. You got enough lipstick to last to get on your Chicos. Who needs blush when you got lipstick?
True that. True
What's
that.
this? What's this all about?
It's just a candle. Just
Oh,
it's pretty.
You can't even see our food. Should we eat
Let's
up
hold it
here?
up. If I get it down, then you can't see us, and so
Well,
we can make our own like mukbang to where we're just holding
This
it.
is my-
I like to hold it up close anyway.
This is my stand. It's my hand. It's my hand stand. This is pretty
You
good.
gotta do things differently.
I think your dog is so starving that she's now eating dog food. She
So
gave up on the egg yolk I gave her.
exactly.
Oh, this is so good.
So I taped videos today, and she's like, "I'm coming over," and it was like, don't you love those times where it's perfect timing when you're done with your work and then somebody says they're coming over, and I had already pre-made hard-boiled eggs. Because I thought I need some
She knew I
protein
was
because I've been
hungry.
eating so healthy.
I just asked her, are you hungry? Do you want me to bring you something? And she's like, oh, you're just in time. I'm making yummy salad. And
Amen, sister. I got water and
So
this
do I. I have
delicious salad.
carbonated water.
This is a good way to get all your greens in. I put in spinach
ton
and
of
it's
them.
got kale, onions, red cabbage. Oh my gosh, I'm in heaven. Poppy seed dressing. Oh,
Yeah, it is so good. You did good, sister.
yeah.
Good. So what else is going on in
I
your
always got to
world?
mix up my salads so I don't get bored because just like my personality, I'll get bored, so I got to mix it up.
You get
so I don't
bored with
bored.
yourself?
I get bored with myself. You know what I do when I'm bored? Which is very
Make
rare. I cook for myself because I'm trying to eat healthy. And it's so easy with just one person. I make my dog eat dog food. When I'm eating healthy, she has to eat dog food.
It comes to me and she'll eat my finger because she wants something so different. If I put my finger on the plate, she would eat it.
I moved my guest bedroom bed.
Yeah.
I put together a glass desk in the corner.
That's pretty. I saw that.
Yeah, so it matches with my glass table.
No wood back there. Everything is
No, it's
clear
not
and
wood.
silver and clean.
Everything's see-through, clear. I don't want anything
like that.
obstructing the
view.
view. I want everything. That's what I
Especially
love
of
about
the
this
view
house.
outside of your pool.
At the pool. The pool's going to be opening up in March.
Yeah, you took that L-shaped desk away from that sliding glass door and you put that other one. So now
Oh my gosh.
you can see.
You
Look.
can see, yeah.
Look
See where the big
behind
screen
us.
is?
See there? No refrigerator
Yeah.
door is open. Just you can see straight
Yeah.
out.
So I've
to
got
the
the
pool cover.
I've got the glass
Sun is coming in.
the glass dining room table. And then I've got the
See it
glass
right there.
office desk I put together, and then I've got another one over here by my reading area for writing, so that when I get ready to write my book, that'll be an inspiration. And both places you can see outside to the pool.
Yeah.
So I think I'll start doing that in the summer because I'm a summer girl. And that's what I've been up to: moving furniture, building,
You've been busy.
staying healthy. I started my Beachbody DVDs again, and I feel fabulous.
Good. Good.
Started working on myself.
That's important. That's absolutely important. And I've been doing a lot of the same. I don't know if you guys remember, but I had my gallbladder removed about a year ago. And I never had any problems with it. I could eat pretty much what I wanted. And then all of a sudden, about the 6 month or 7 month mark, boom! Anything I ate just started making me so sick. I had belly aches, belly aches, belly aches. And since then, I've been adding some greens. And actually my daughter has her gallbladder removed as well. And so she cannot eat any greens. She can't eat salads. It makes her super sick. So hers is the opposite of me.
That would be horrible.
So of course, when she said that, I got really nervous. My first real salad that I just sat down and had a salad for a meal, I thought, okay, so I prepared mentally that I'm going to be having a bellyache, probably not feeling good all night. So I made it to where it was a night that we didn't have anything planned, and I just pretty much planned on staying home. But the opposite happened, and I felt amazing. And I don't know if it was because I was adding kale and spinach and some of the things that maybe I wasn't getting enough of the nutrients in. And so it has backfired in a good way. So I try at least every night to add a salad, because whatever I eat with the salad doesn't seem to give me a bellyache. So anyway, so she knows that, and she's doing that too. So it's such a treat when you have all these different flavors of these vegetables.
And some days I don't feel like making my Some days I don't feel like making my smoothie and putting all my nutrients in my smoothie. So I'll add it to my salad, or I'll add it in my oatmeal.
This is really good.
And, then you get all of your green. Look at how, I mean, if it looks this good, it must be good for you.
Yeah, it's got red onions in it.
I never feel deprived.
Cabbage, or what is this called? Radisiac?
Red cabbage?
The red cabbage?
Oh,
radisio?
Oh, I don't know. I just always said red cabbage.
I think there's a name. It's called radisio.
If you know, let us in the comments.
Yeah, what is that? Cabbage. Radisio.
Put it in the comments below if you're smarter than we are.
And hey, if you guys are alone and you want to make yourself some lunch, turn this off and then come back and have lunch with us.
Absolutely.
Come visit with us. It's good.
Double trouble makes lots of trouble. We want all of you guys to join.
That'd be good.
It's hard to go to restaurants and stuff right now still.
Yes.
And I've always enjoyed eating at home.
So tell me a little bit about your new present that you got. The air fryer.
Oh, I got a new air fryer. I love it. It's wonderful. I've had 3 in my life. But this one is so cool. It's got the basket and you pull it out. It's large capacity, easy to clean. And it's just fun. You can warm up things in it.
What'd you make in it?
I made some asparagus bacon. It'll be on my channel, Ursula TV, if you want to go check it out.
Oh, yeah. That sounds really good. Good.
Especially for one person. It's just so easy. You don't have to worry about frying anything, but yet you want the crispy. So like if you make a pizza and you don't want the crust to be soggy in the microwave, it's easier just to stick it in an air fryer, then warm up your whole stove, because your stove takes forever. But a little air fryer, you just stick it in there and it steams it, makes it crispy. It's amazing. It's a new revelation. The very first time I got an air fryer, my kids thought I was crazy, but now everybody has one.
And now who's crazy?
Exactly. We're all crazy together. So never doubt the first person
my air fryer.
tells you about something that you don't know about.
It's not as nice as the one you just got, but it's kind of got the same concept. It's not as big in the capacity area. It's a little bit more compact, but you've seen me.
So good.
I make everything in it. I make wings and fries.
Oh, yeah.
Jicama fries work so well in there. And then that cheese.
Well,
that bread. The cheese that turns into the cheese sticks.
Yeah, especially when we have like pool parties and stuff. This is the party house. So everybody will come over and it'll be perfect.
Yeah, you can whip up
a bunch of stuff and then go out by the pool.
Even stuff that's frozen, it just... You know what my favorite is in my air fryer is putting, I crumble up Parmesan cheese or the pork rinds, barbecue flavored pork rinds. I put them in a processor and make them into crumbs and put Parmesan cheese and dip those. Mix it and dip it into the the pork chops with the bones, and then spray them a little bit with some non-stick spray on the bottom of the air fryer and the pork chops, and they're so crunchy and tender around the bone. So good. It's like shake and bake. It tastes like that. It tastes like shake and bake pork chops, but it has
That sounds delicious.
has the keto.
That sounds delicious.
So
It's
been
so
good. This is so good, and it's sunny here. It's so nice to
Oh my
look
gosh.
outside.
You have no idea that it's cold outside.
You have no idea it's January.
Because this sun shines through and I feel like it's right in the middle of summer. And then I wear something like this and then I go outside and I'm like, oh, it's freezing.
You need a coat.
I'm deceived.
You do need a coat if you step outside of the door here, though.
And then I bundle up like I'm going to the Alaska and take my dog to
The Alaskan cruise.
the Alaskan cruise out in the tundra. And take my dog for a walk every day. I haven't taken her yet, so she's like,
She's gonna be naughty in a little bit.
she's naughty. If I don't stick to my schedule,
cry.
she whines, she
whines,
cries.
She's no good. She's a no good Sally if she doesn't get her WALK. I have to spell it because she's so smart. She knows what I'm saying, and she'll run for the door and cry more. So I can't say it. I have to spell it. That's a lot of food, girl. I've been just munching this whole time. But this is wonderful. It's so good. It's so refreshing. And knowing that I'm not going to have a bellyache after I'm done.
That's everything,
That's everything.
right?
Especially, I know a lot of you guys probably still have your gallbladder, but it's really hard to explain.
Thank God for
until
mine every day.
You hit it until you have to have
I
yours
pray
removed.
mine stays.
So there's a lot of extra things that you have to do, and you have to get a lot of extra vitamins because you get very deficient in your vitamins the way that the gallbladder works.
Well, the thing is we need everything, we need.
I needed it, my gallbladder,
You
and
needed
they
it.
took it.
I need all these parts.
And they took it.
My son lost his appendix, and I swear he's had stomach problems ever since. And so it's those things you don't think about,
And it's like my thyroid. When
You
I
have
had
to
my
really be
thyroid
careful.
radiated. I mean, who knew that it could
Yeah.
be something else? I should never have done that. I've had
Get a second and a third and a fourth opinion. If somebody says they want to remove something from you, just tell them.
Absolutely.
Buzz
I've had
off.
weight issues.
Buzz
I've
off.
been overweight since I had my thyroid removed
Yeah,
20
buzz
some
off.
years ago. It's a fight every day for me
Yeah.
to get down. So, yes, get your opinion.
Appreciate every organ you have. And
Take
get
it.
second and a third and a fourth.
So weird.